Okay. Mm. Juice?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, we're at Ikea. Say hi, Ella. Say hi, Moño. And my belly. We're looking for like TV stand, but we're not gonna put the TV on it. We just want it like underneath the TV so that we have something in the living room and the wall doesn't look like so naked and stuff. I'll show you a picture. Anyways, we don't want it to look like that, so we came to look for one, and we came to look for like Kathleen's bed sheets because she's had her bed for like over a year now, or like a year, and like it's like we only bought her 2 bed sheets, so then she's had them for too long, and like there's stains that just don't come out, especially like chocolate and like I want to say it's cranberry juice or something, and then the like blood from her nose when she bleeds and stuff, so that's why. Anyways, Mateo wants to say hi to you guys. Babe. Typical Mateo. Anyways, yeah, we're about to walk and go look. We're like in the kitchen areas, like, and it's so cute. Like, I wish my house looked like this. Like, look. Like, that kitchen is so pretty. But yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, so we bought some other Hunani. The girls are in the car. Hi, Miss Ella.
Moño, get your toy.
Hi, Miss Moño. Okay, so we're going home now. We got the stuff. The girls are okay. Can you see? That's so funny. And then Mateo's right here. Wait, yeah. I'll show you guys when we get home, and then I don't know if we're gonna build them today. Maybe Mateo's tired, but if we do, I'll show you guys. And if we don't, I'll just keep vlogging until tomorrow. So we're home. Mariana is eating elote soco. I'm building it with Mateo because he wants to go get that. And there's Ella. Say hi, Ella. She thinks she's helping us, but she's not.